Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host, Seth Julian, welcoming you to today's morning briefing, where we're going to talk about the world's largest oil producer, the Saudi Arabian Oil Company, better known as Saudi Aramco. Look at that price. I'll give you the sound effect for a chart like this. Here's the audio of this chart. That's right, going through the roof, right to the stratosphere. I'll give you even a further indication. This is a 4-day chart, so this price has risen 13.62% since the 21st of February. What's that? That's a month's rise for one of the world's largest corporations. There's a lot of money to be made in the hydrocarbon markets, ladies and gentlemen, and here's our poster boy for those profits. This is the Tadawul, I believe. This is the Tadawul index, of which slightly over 20% is comprised of Saudi Aramco. So as goes Aramco, so goes the Tadawul. They're obviously highly correlated. Nonetheless, those are still winning trades. Those are outstanding positions that are well worth the effort of entering. So I just want to show you one last thing with respect to Aramco. They had reported over the weekend a 20% increase in net revenue. This is their earnings statement, the income statement for their annual one. Take a look at the quarterly one. Look at this. This is the bottom line. In each year of 2021, it's up each quarter, jumping so that their net income is approximately 50% of their gross revenue. And that, by the way, ladies and gentlemen, that's net income. By the way, is what we call the bottom line in accounting. It's the line below the expenses. There's revenue less expenses. That's net income. Net income is considered your margin. If you're taking it, most corporations, I should tell you, operate on between 5 and 10% margin of profit. These guys are operating at the kind of profit levels that those fat ass tech giants are operating at. Apple makes over 40% net margin on their sales. So Saudi is giving returns of Apple-like proportions, and this is not going to change. Just so you're aware, 7% of the world's oil production is going to vaporize from the market due to the Russian sanctions. That's going to be shunted to China, but it's going to sell at a deep discount. So that means that the rest of the world is going to have to pay more money for less oil. Even though the Saudis committed to pumping more, it's not going to make up for the 7 million barrels that the Russians supplied to the market. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is how we see things. Oil prices rising. With it, Saudi Aramco, the Tadawul, and prices are going to continue to rise so long as this miserable war continues. So with that grim but hopefully lucrative insight, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to wish you all the ability to trade with confidence. Bye-bye for now.